Good evening, good evening. Unboxing video this evening. We're almost at 1K subscribers. Almost at 1K. Yay! Almost at 1K. Baby. Baby, baby, baby. Puppy stuff. But yes, almost at 1K. This is a video in the evening, eh? Right? Yes. Okay, let's get started. What is it now? You said what? What did you say?
Where's the cookies?
You don't see them right there in front of you? Do you see them? Do you see them? You have one or two, not all of them. Where's the cookies? Right in front of you. Unboxing video. How are you this evening? I hope all is well with you. Hope all is well with you. You want to come say hi? Show your cookie off. Let me see the cookies. Are you into Christmas cookies or any kind of holiday cookies or any kind of cookies at all? Let me show these. Okay. See these? You like them? Little Christmas cookies. They're actually like cake. This part right here is cake, and then the icing. Sounds like some fragrances we're going to get into, right? Unboxing video tonight. No, you can leave these right here. Just leave them here. I'll babysit them. I'll babysit the cookies. Let's unbox. It's like a Christmas gift, right? Ding, ding, yay! All right. The first fragrance up in the boxing video. This is one of my #1 sellers. Could you tell by the color what it is? We got this one, an 8-ouncer, a 4 and 2 4-ouncers. This is all I'm going to show in the unboxing video. Nothing too long. This right here is Black Woman Unique. And they call it Black Woman Unique because it actually is unique, but it should be called unisex because this is the kind you put on, you don't smell anything. To me, it smells naked. Let's put it on. Ooh, that's the color. That's how it looks. Okay, when you first put it on, it has a smell to it. But to me, the smell is just like blah. And then once it gets on you, then that's when it just takes. To me, this smells naked. It smells naked, but it's the effects. When I put this on and then I go somewhere, I always get compliments. I always do. It's like real pretty and elegant, or like, wow, what's this? Who's around? It's just pleasant. Like, who's that? Is there someone? Is there someone here? That's how it makes you feel. Black Woman Unique. That's what they say anyway. The second one up, the 4-ouncer. Flower Bomb. Flower Bomb gives you it makes it feel like flower bomb. Like a gardenia, a carnation, a rose, or something like, your grandma would wear. Flower bomb. A bunch of flowers. Please don't sweat. That kind of thing. But this Flower Bomb, not like that. This Flower Bomb is light. A pinch of, I think peach. It's peach. Peach is the base. Then it goes into a fruity mix. And it's just, you win the race. We're not even going to do mark, set, go. When I smell you, you win the race. Madam, go ahead. This win. Just go in front of me. Flower Bomb. It's the bomb. Peach running through it. Fresh, crisp, elegant, playful, but not girly. Playful. This smells good with a leather coat on. Put it that way. To me, I could imagine myself in winter with a leather coat on, or in summer with a little jacket thinking I'm cute. But something that moves around and just... Flower Bomb. And the other one is... This is for men. I don't know if you can see the name. But... that kind of... It's fierce. Fierce! Fierce by Abercrombie and Finch. Fierce. And by the way, I am no way affiliated with manufacturers, like celebrity names, it's any kind of affiliation with the designer of the fragrance. I love oils. And oils, by the way, can't be claimed. They can't be patented. They can't be, mistaken as like it is, I copied your paper. You can't do that with fragrances. It either smells like lemon or it doesn't, or you make a lemon mix that's similar or compares to, but a fragrance is a fragrance. If you're smelling your mom's Gina Tay, or back in the day when you used to be able to, what did they used to do? Like fry, my grandmother did. She used to fry like pork rinds, like take the fat back and fry it, and that smell, that bacony smell. I mean, some smells are just, like a tobacco vanilla. It kind of, that's smoky. You know what I mean? A smell is a smell. Vanilla mix, like I make my mixes. But this is Fierce by Abercrombie and Finch. And this right here gives me a smell, a pinch. It's just like a man's suit, a freshness. On me, Fierce by Abercrombie and Finch, it smells good on me. But after a while, I must say the man in it comes out. The men notes, it starts rolling. Like the more I move around and the more I smell it, it smells masculine. I would never wear Abercrombie and Finch, the Fierce, as my signature. But I will mix it with a pink sugar and trick it out. I would do that. But Fierce by Abercrombie and Finch. Fierce is just fierce. His has that bite, like when you put it on, like it has that bite, fierce. Just like that. Just like that. But on me, I wonder if on a man's skin, it's great. He's not gonna let me sample him, so I'm not even gonna worry. I think he knows I'm on camera, so he stopped saying anything because he wanted these cookies, and I have them. You'll eat these. You want any more cookies? You want another cookie? Can I try this on you? Could you want to be in the sample? All you gotta do is put your arm out. Okay, put your arm out, and then you have to say, right, this is Fierce. Let's see. And rub it in. And be honest. Give like two words. Do you like it? Yes or no? You could put thumbs up, or you could speak. Okay, thumbs up. So 2 words that describes it as a man's point of view. Because like I said, Fierce is raw. What do you think? You could just say it where... I'm doing a video, so you could just say it where you could...
Strong and spicy.
Strong and spicy. So it smells hot? Is it good? Would you wear it out? Is it too teenage? So it is, but it's spicy. So spicy, to me, it means hot or spicy. Come again? Min spice? Oh, the cookies. Oh, okay. Yeah. Get your own. Get Burberry. It's not like Burberry, but it has a Burberry kick. Like it's a Burberry. It's like it has that bite like the Burberry, but it's fierce. So it's even more of a bite to me than Burberry. But I'm a little about to bite on these cookies. And yes, the unboxing video. So we had. Okay, wait a minute. Let me separate the 2 smells. No, you have to wait a minute. So I have Black Woman Unique, which is a nice, fresh, come get me any time of day, night. Great to wear to a doctor's office. That's how light it is, but sexual in your own little, if you smoke, if you don't, if you eat pork, if you won't. It depends on your chemistry. Black Woman Unique, the Flower Bomb, and the Fierce by Abercrombie and Finch. And the Flower Bomb, which really is... Like they say, the bomb, flower bomb. It is the bomb. Where did it go? Flower bomb. It's here somewhere. Flower bomb. Where did I put my flower bomb? Where did I put my flower bomb? But yes, we have flower bomb. Hey, fragrance of the day is flower bomb. You know what? I'm still looking for flower bomb. Where is it? I just had it in my hand. I won't rest until I have it. Flower bomb. Where are you? Did you take my flower bomb? That's fierce. fierce. This black woman unique. What is this? My mixer for my sprays for my stocking stuffers. Where is the flower bomb? I must have rolled under something. Here it is. Flower bomb for ladies. It's sexy. It's got a little peach mix and a peach twist, but it's the kind you go looking and hunting for. Flower bomb. It's the bomb. They say, make them say bon appetit. What is this? Flower bomb. It's the bomb. Not like your orchids or your carnations or your real strong ones like the flower that stinks or the flowers that bees might touch or just a flower that you might not want to be bothered with. This is flower bomb like your daisy and your really soft vanilla petal, peach, nectar, mixed with a little splash of honey. Flower bomb. If you're looking for a bomb time for a bomb-ass man and a bomb-ass date and just a bomb-ass time, try Flower Bomb. Flower Bomb, put some bomb in your life. Flower Bomb, bomb. And it's the oil, so it's not going to dissipate. It has no expiration date, and it's going to last all day and all night long. Put it on your panties, put it on your bra, put it in your purse, put it on your neck, put it on your hair, on your wrist, and all the cracks and crevices everywhere on the body. And have the bomb night.